Hey guys, what's up? So right here we have the new S&B Cold Air Intake kit for the Bronco Raptor that I got right here behind us. We're gonna install this on that truck and just look at it. Everything's beautiful. It comes with the air box, this massive air filter, the air pipes, the clear lid so you can check out your filter, all the grommets for it. So this should be a fun install all the way around. So now we're installing all the different fittings that need to be installed on the new air ducts, so we can begin installing it on the Bronco. Ya, saca, dame acá. Bien, weón.